Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Walmart affiliate offers using OneLink, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Walmart affiliate website and signing in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, locate the affiliate dashboard. In the dashboard, find the option labeled OneLink. Click on OneLink to access its features and setup. You will see a prompt to link your existing affiliate accounts. Select the accounts you want to connect with Walmart's affiliate program. Carefully input the necessary information for each account you selected. Double-check that all details are accurate to avoid any errors during linking. After entering your information, click the Link Accounts button to proceed. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your accounts have been successfully linked. Next, explore the Walmart product catalog through the affiliate dashboard. Use filters to find specific categories or products that interest you. When you find a product you'd like to promote, click on it to view more details. There will be a button to generate affiliate links for the selected product. Click the Link Generation button, and a unique affiliate link will be created for you. Copy this link to use in your promotional content. Be mindful to follow Walmart's guidelines for promoting products effectively. You can track your earnings and performance from the same dashboard. Regularly check for updates or new products to promote through your OneLink account. Utilize social media and blogs to share your affiliate links to increase visibility. Monitor your analytics to determine which products are performing well. Continue refining your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Engaging with your audience will help build trust and drive conversions. By following these steps, you can successfully connect with Walmart affiliate offers using OneLink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.